The first one is the Oraimo Powerbox. Comes with a 60,000 milliampere battery. Yes, a strong battery right in the device. And the Oraimo Powerjet comes with just a 27,600 milliampere battery. So if this device, that is Oraimo Powerbox, can charge your device twice, this will just charge it once. Yes, so if this can go 5, this will go 10 because of the battery in it. So you can check my profile or my bio and know each of these. Okay, everyone, I have just single videos for all. Just my unboxing and review, everything is right here on this platform, so you can check it out. Check in the comment section description and then know more about that one. Okay, another thing is that this one is heavy to carry around. That's why I have put it right here, so that I will not, my hand will not pay me. So it is here just because it is, not so easy to carry around. But this one you can carry along with anywhere that you want to go. Okay, and yes, you can move it anywhere. So mostly this one I would recommend it for content creators who stay away and then yes, longer times outside. This will really help you compared to this one. Okay, so this one is easy to carry around, but this one is not easy to carry around. Let me change. I'm very tired right here. Just like the video and subscribe for more videos right here on this platform. Another one I would like to talk about is this one has a lot of ports right here. Okay, so you can see we have like 6 ports right here, but this is just 3. Okay, so that is another advantage for the Oraimo Powerbox compared to the Oraimo Powerjet. Okay, now let's go to another one, which is, before we go, kindly like the video for me and subscribe to this channel for more videos. We have been talking about Oraimo product. This is another one. Yes, you can check. This is Oraimo Watch Nova N. Okay, yes, you can check the unboxing and then the review as well right here on this platform. Okay, we have been talking about a lot of Oraimo products, so you can check them all out. Whatever, name it, just name it in the comment section. I will get you the link and then you will get to know how best the device is. Okay, so yes, let's go. Now another thing is, at the back of the Oraimo Powerbox is the flashlight. The Oraimo Powerjet does not come with any flashlight for you. Okay, so this one, the Oraimo Powerbox, comes with one, and this does not come with any. Another thing is the Oraimo Powerjet can charge your laptop. Yes, laptop. It is good for laptop, but with the Oraimo Powerbox, it cannot charge laptop. Although it comes with 60,000 milliampere battery, and this one is 27. But this one, the Oraimo Powerjet, can charge your laptop to the fullest. Okay, that's why I said check each and every one of these devices and know how they are good. Okay, before you can purchase them. Okay, so these are the comparison. If you want to know more about them, the unboxing and review, everything, I'll leave it in the comment section, then you can check them out. Okay, that's it for charging the laptop. This one does not charge, but this can charge. Okay, the Oraimo Powerbox comes with a charger head and a cord, but the Oraimo Powerjet just comes with a cord and no charger head. So if you buy this, you have to go and get yourself a charger head. Okay, so that's another different thing that I noticed as well. Kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos right here on this platform.